Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview ProTeam Tile and Vinyl Cleaner. ProTeam Tile and Vinyl Cleaner is a great way to remove any nasty scale, oils, and other contaminant buildup from your pool's tile and vinyl surfaces. Its powerful liquid formula does all the work without needing the extensive hand scrubbing that lesser products require, saving you hours of time. Because its formula is non-abrasive, it can safely be used on delicate pool surfaces, such as tile and vinyl, without fear of damage. Best of all, this product will not affect your pool's water chemistry and is made right here in the USA to ensure the highest quality, allowing you to buy with confidence. Product benefits: easy to use, no scrubbing required. Saves time and money. Will lift dirty film, suntan oil, baked on material and calcium deposits. Keeps pool looking clean, fresh, and beautiful. Be sure to check the instructions and the dosing chart before using. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.